Welcome to my channel. Today, oh my god, look at that stain. It's makeup. But anyways, today I did a makeup tutorial on this face. I figured why not? So this is my first tutorial ever on YouTube. I decided to do something that I would wear every day. Now let me give y'all a little scoop on this here. I am sick, for one. I have like a common cold. Number two, hold on. Can you hush, please? Don't you see me making a video? So, she threw me off. Let me start again. I ain't gonna start again. Okay, so, I have a cold. I am breaking out. Look at life. I'm breaking out, in my face, and I'm tired. So, I said, why not? If you're going to do an everyday look, let's do things that happen every day. So, this is me coming to YouTube as real as I know how. Okay, you can tell this is my first YouTube video, but I'm excited. So, can't nobody bring me down right now. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at it now. Okay, so, I just want y'all to get into this look. It's simple. It's not a lot of steps. I used 3 eyeshadows today. Some of my makeup is kind of prestige makeup. Some of it is like drugstore makeup. Just y'all make sure y'all get into this video. I forgot to do this. Ooh. Make sure y'all like it and subscribe, okay? Because I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. Y'all have fun. Okay, so as you can see, I look terrible. I look terrible. Okay, so my face is like really breaking out. I have dark spots and freckles. I'm all into this music, so I cut it off because I don't want to copyright or steal anyone's music. So you're going to I'm probably going to speed this up so it's not as long as it is. But I really hope you guys enjoy. And let me know, like, what you want to see or what you want me to slow down on. Just let me know anything that you have to say, okay? So, I'm using the James Charles palette today for my eyebrows. I'm going to take that dark brown shade and I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in. I like to use this method because you get like a wide variety of colors. Your eyebrows could be like black, pink, blue, orange, red, or this brown color. This is the method that I use on my clients when I do their makeup. It just kind of fills them in, and it's not so dark with the pencil or that dip brown. It kind of like stiffens your eyebrows. So this is the method that I use, and I'm just kind of filling them in, and I'm gonna go back with a brush and kind of push up my real hairs so that it looks more realistic. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape to do my eyebrows. I just put a little bit on my hand so you won't use too much product. And I kind of just line the bottom of my eyebrow just to kind of define it and give it that crisp look. And then I pull down a little excess because that's going to go into my base for my eyeshadow, which will help my colors pop. And I'm also going to do the same thing to the top. A lot of people don't do this step because, you know, the top of their brows is just perfect, but mine's not, so we have to do what we have to do, right? Right. So that's what I'm doing right here. And we're going to also do the other eyebrow. And hopefully they look the same because, baby girl, sometimes they don't, and it's okay. So once you look like Herman the Monster by the eyebrows, you basically achieve this eyebrow look. And we take that Shape Tape again. I took it in a brighter color. I believe that one is Fair, I want to say. And I just kind of blended that in with my beauty blender. Real nice like that. Yeah, I look terrible. It's gonna come together though. So once you do that, we're gonna take my Mercier translucent powder, and we're gonna dust it over our concealer. We are almost ready to put on our eyeshadow. All right, so now we're going in with our Morphe 350 palette, and we're gonna take this gorgeous brown shade that I haven't gotten to yet. Boom, there it is. We're gonna take this shade and we're going to apply that into our crease. So it came out a little more toasty than I wanted it to come out, but it's okay because we're gonna make it work. So we're just gonna put that in our crease in a circular motion. Just kind of blend that in as much as we can. I kind of went off camera here so you don't see the whole thing. And then I jumped to the other eye and boom, they're done. But we're going to keep doing that. Repetition is the key to learning. So repeat what you do on one eye on the other eye. It's waiting on me. Doing a wake up in the morning. Can't let her do what we did in this bed. I can't get you out, so I gotta go. Yeah, so we had to take a little crisp brown break. Hello. So we're going to take that dark brown shade in that same 350 Morphe palette. And we're going to go in the corner of our eyes with that darker shade just to darken up that toasty brown color that we use to give our eyes some definition. So as you can see, I jumped from one eye to the other and just kind of blending them in as much as possible. You see I got that little smoky look now. That smoky look, that's cute. It's not cute yet, but it's coming. I know you can see the transition into cute. It's coming. So now we're going to go into the Nubian by Juvia's palette. And we're going to take this pretty gold shade, but it's broken. But it's okay because we can still use it. So we're going to take that with our Never Touch Up matte finishing spray on our eyeshadow brush. We're going to spray it so we can get that really, really pretty golden color on our eyelid. So we're just going to take that and pack it on. Look how pretty that is. I'm feeling myself now. Oh yeah. So we went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in Deep Neutral Deep, one of them. And I just put that all over my face. I usually just dot it like this so I don't use too much foundation. And then once I get it all over to where I feel like it's gonna give me good coverage, I go ahead and start blending it in. I take this Morphe setting spray and my brush, my foundation brush, spray it on there, hit my face, and blend in that foundation. Now, my foundation on camera was looking like a little light. I'm not gonna say I liked it. I was looking a little ghostly, like Casper. I was Casper homegirl. And so I decided to add a little bit of a darker shade to my foundation. Okay, so I took my beauty blender with my Never Touch Up finishing spray and I just went over that foundation just to kind of set it in with some setting spray, some matte setting spray. And that's just to help my foundation set. So under my eyebrows is a little light because of my concealer. So I took my NC45 from MAC powder and just went under my brow so it kind of blends in with my skin tone. Then I took the Shape Tape in the color tan and just went in for my highlights. Looking a little tribal here, just to be highlighted as much as possible. And I just take my flat brush and I go ahead and blend that in under my eyes, into my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, under my lip, and on my forehead. And then set that with a little Morphe setting spray and take that same beauty blender and blend it out. I'm actually on the phone, I think. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same translucent powder and just set that. So I'm not one of those people that bakes for a long time. So basically I just threw it on. Clearly that's my song. Alright, so I just dusted that powder off because I don't want it to make me look cakey. Now we're going to put on our eyeliner. So I'm using Wet n Wild H20 waterproof. Alright, so now we need to bronze our face. So we're going to use the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. I'm just going to put that on the brush and dust it all over our face to give us that golden bronzy look that everyone loves so very much. We just gonna put that all over, even on top of our brows, because it's got like a shimmer in it and it's really, really pretty. Now we're going to contour our cheekbones because I have a fat face. I like to do it a little darker to make it look like I've been working out. Because I haven't, so looks can be deceiving. So we also have to get this nose because I have a little pig nose. We can make it look like we had a little work done. I'm just joking. Anyway, so now we're going to use our Becca, Kholé and Malika. It's actually a highlighter, 2 blushes, and a bronzer. So what we just used was the Yes Girl Radiant Blush on our cheeks. Then we're going to spray our face with our Morphe. And we're going to get into Dusted Soft Focus Highlighter, which is what you see with our highlighter brush. We're going to hit that cheekbone. And then we're going to hit that nose. Like a light. Anywho. Alright, so we're almost done for real. I've said it like a million times, but we legit like almost done. So now we're going to take our Chanel lipstick in the shade 68. I think it's called Emotive. Not really sure.